Hello students, welcome to my online class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so students, this is a class 4th and this is a chapter 11 and the name of chapter 11 is Madam Air Wants a Change. Okay, so students, in this video we are going to explain all exercise of chapter 11. Okay, so students, let's start. Here, this is a exercise B and exercise B is answer these questions. Okay, so students, here question number 1 and question number 1 is why was Madam Air fed up? Okay, this is question number 1 and now answer of this question is Madam Air fed up of being same old Madam Air even since she was born. This is the answer of question number 1. Now, next question, that is question number 2. And question number 2 is what advice did Sir Ocean give to Madam Air? Now, answer of this question is Sir Ocean advised to Madam Air that change for the sake of change is not good. Go home and rest a while. Now, students, once again listen carefully. Answer of this question. Sir Ocean advised to Madam Air that change for the sake of change is not good. Go home and rest a while. Now, next question, that is question number 3. And question number 3 is why was Madam Air angry with Lord Volcano? Okay, so students, now answer of this question is Madam Air was angry with Lord Volcano. Have spoiled her pretty dress with his dot and gases. Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. Answer of question number 3. Madam Air was angry with Lord Volcano, have spoiled her pretty dress with his dot and gases. Now next question, that is question number 4. And question number 4 is how did Lord Volcano's ancestors create Madam Air? Okay, so students, now answer of this question is in the beginning the earth was a huge ball of hot gases which cooled down and became the surface. That was the time volcano ancestors spewed out dirt and gases over millions of years those gases created air. Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. Answer of this question. In the beginning the earth was a huge ball of hot gases which cooled down and became the surface. That was the time volcano ancestors spewed out dirt and gases over millions of years those gases created air. Now next question, and next question is question number 5. And question number 5 is what did Madam Air see in the city? Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. Question number 5. And question number 5 is what did Madam Air see in the city? And now answer of this question is Madam Air sees a busy crossing crowded with people and vehicles and factory in the city. Now once again listen carefully. Answer of this question. Madam Air sees a busy crossing crowded with people and vehicles and factory in the city. Now question number 6. This is the last question of exercise A. And now question number 6 is why was Madam Air relieved when she returned home? Once again listen carefully. Question number 6. Why was Madam Air relieved when she returned home? Now answer of this question is because humans are going to change me by making those machines and those factories. Now, once again, listen carefully. Answer of question number 6. Because humans are going to change me by making those machines and those factories. Now, students, come to the next exercise, and here, exercise D. Okay. Exercise D is make sentences with these words and phrases from the play. Okay, so students, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. Okay, now let's move to the next exercise, and next exercise is exercise E, and exercise E is complete this table by adding tion, ing and ed to the given words. You may have to drop some letters put across where the word cannot be formed. Okay, so students, you have to complete this exercise by adding tion, ing and ed. Okay, and you have to put across where the word cannot be formed. So here, first is, and students, you can see one has been done for you. Now let's start number 2. And here second word is speak. Okay, so in the first box you have to put a cross like this, and in the second box, that is ing, here you have to write speaking. And the spelling of speaking is speaking. This is the spelling of speaking that you have to write in the second box. Now next number, that is number 3. Next box is ed, and here you have to put a cross like this. Okay, here you have to put a cross, and in the first box also. Now next number, that is number 3, and here third word is vibrate, and in the first box you have to write vibration, and the spelling of vibration is vibratation. Vibration you have to write in the first box. Now second box, in the second box you have to write vibrating, and the spelling of vibrating is vibrating. Vibrating. This is the spelling of vibrating that you have to write in the second box. Now next box is ed, and here you have to write vibrated, and the spelling of vibrated is vibrated. Vibrated. Okay, now let's move to the next number, and here next number is 4th, and the word is complete. Students, in the first box you have to put a cross, and in the second box you have to write completion. Okay, and the spelling of completion is compli. In the second box you have to write completing. Okay, so students, here the spelling of completing is compliting, completing. Okay, and in the first box you do not use cross. Here you have to write completion, and the spelling of completion is complition. You have to write in the first box, and second box you have to write completing, and in the third box you have to write completed. And the spelling of completed is completed, completed. Okay, so students, in the first box you have to write completion, in the second box completing, and in the third box is completed. Now next number, that is number 5, and here fifth word is perfect. So students, in the first box you have to write perfection, perfection. perfection that you have to write in the first box, and here, and now second box, here you have to write perfecting, and the spelling of perfecting is PERFECTING. This is the spelling of perfecting. And now in the third box you have to write here perfected, and the spelling of perfected is PERFECTED, perfected. Now next and last number, that is number 6, and here sixth word is laugh, and in the first box you have to put a cross, in the second box you have to write laughing, and the spelling of laughing is LAUGHING, laughing. And now in the third box you have to write laughed, and the spelling of laughed is LAUGHED, laughed. You have to write in the third box. Now students, come to the next exercise, and here next exercise is exercise F. Make sentences with the words in capitals to go with the given punctuation marks. Okay, so students, in this exercise you have to make sentences according to these punctuation marks. Okay, so students, you can see one has been done for you. Now let's start from number 2, and here second is sun. Okay, so students, you have to make an assertive sentence, and you can make sentence like this: the sun rises in the east, sun is most powerful source of light. Okay, so students, here you can write any sentence that is in assertive. Okay, now next number, that is number 3, and here the third is wind. Okay, so students, here you have to make an exclamatory sentence. Okay, because this is an exclamation mark. Okay, so students, here you have to write what a lovely wind is. Okay, or you can write the wind blew it away. Okay, I carried it a school ball with. Okay, so students, here you have to write what a lovely wind is. What a lovely wind is. Now next number, that is number 4th, and here fourth word is smoke. Okay, so students, you have to make an assertive sentence with the help of the word that is smoke, and here you have to write smoke is not good for health. Okay, so students, you can write here an assertive sentence that is smoke is not good for health. Now let's move to the next exercise, and next exercise is exercise G, and exercise G is underline the prepositions in these sentences. Okay, so students, in this exercise you have to underline the preposition. So let's start here. First sentence is the boy dived into the pool. And students, in this sentence the preposition is into, so you have to underline into. Okay, now next number, that is number 2, and here second is you can open the box with a screwdriver. Okay, so students, in this sentence the preposition is with, so you have to underline with. Now next number, that is number 3, and here third is Kokila is fond of music. Okay, so students, in this sentence the preposition is of. Okay, so you have to underline of in number 3. Now next number, that is number 4th, and here fourth sentence is Rishi got off the bus. Okay, so students, in this sentence the preposition is of, and the spelling of preposition is OFF. Now next number, that is number 5, and here fifth is Monday comes after Sunday. Okay, so students, in this sentence the preposition is after, and the spelling of preposition is AFTER, so you have to underline after. Now next number, that's number 6, and here sixth is my school is near my house. So students, in this sentence the preposition is near, so you have to underline near. Now next number, that is number, now next exercise, and exercise is exercise H, and exercise H is where is the squirrel, look at the pictures and fill in the correct words from the box. Okay, so students, you have to complete these sentences with the help of help box and with the help of these pictures. Okay, now let's start. Here first is the squirrel is dash the television set. Okay, so students, here you have to write on, because the squirrel is on the television. Now next number, that's number 2, and here second is it is now dash the drawer. Okay, so students, you have to write here in, because the squirrel is in the drawer. Now next number, that is number 3, and here third is it is climbing dash the curtain. Okay, so students, you have to write here up, because the squirrel is climbing up the curtain. Now next number, that is number 4th, and here fourth is it has gone dash the bed. Okay, so students, here you have to write under, because the squirrel is going under the bed. Now next number, that is number 5, and here fifth is now it is dash kitty. So students, here you have to write beside, because the squirrel is beside kitty. Now next number, that is number 6, and here sixth is it is sitting dash kitty and catty. Okay, so students, here you have to write between, and the spelling of between is BETWEE between. Okay, because the squirrel is sitting between kitty and catty. Okay, now next number, that is number 7th, and here 7th is now it is sitting dash mom's lap. Okay, so students, here you have to write in. Here you have to write in, and the spelling of IN, because the squirrel is sitting in the mom's lap. Now next exercise, and next exercise is exercise I, and exercise I is fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Okay, so students, you have to use preposition in these sentences. So here first is do not throw stones dash animals. Okay, so students, here you have to write at, and now the sentence is do not throw stones at animals. Now next number, that is number 2, the shy child hid behind her mother. Okay, so students, here you have to write behind, BEHIND. Now next number, that is number 3, and here third is the letters that come in today's post are on the table. Here you have to write on. Now next number, that is number 4th, and fourth is Zara was wearing a blue shirt dash a pair of jeans. Okay, so students, here you have to write with. Okay, now next number, that is number 5, and here fifth is we will be going to Pune by train. Here you have to write by. Now next number, that is number 6, and here sixth is I found my shoes under the bed. Okay, so students, here you have to write under. So students, I hope this is clear to you, and you have to write all exercise in your copy, and next chapters I will explain in the class, because your classes will start from 14 February. Okay, now thank you.